Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. This is Friday Night Gab. So I do this every Friday night, 7 o'clock Central Time, and sometimes I go live, and sometimes most of the time, I'm not live. I am not live tonight. I was live last Friday, and boy, we had a good time. I usually do that, the live I usually do about an hour. I think it was almost an hour and a half, I think, y'all. We were having so much fun, I didn't even know what time it was. So if you didn't see it, go check it out. If you don't know, all you're going to hear is me talking. So when you are looking on your phone at comments, there's a couple little dots, and if you move it to the side, then you'll see what was being said during the live. Okay, Blue, come on up if you want to. I'm going to show you what I'm wearing on my makeup. If Blue will sit down. Sit, come on through. Come on, sit down, love. Sit, oh, he sat down. Anyway, y'all, I have on the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. I love this palette. This I received from Andy Does Stuff. Anybody that I mention in this video, there will be a lot. Will be below. Will be in the comments if you'd like to go check out their channels. I wish you would, because they're all good friends of mine. Inside, these are the gorgeous colors. And see how this is, the packaging is made to look like rose quartz. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. That's on my eyes. Hey, Blue. And then on my lips, I have the Hourglass Lippy. This is a refillable lippy. I do not have any refills. I have 2 of these, and I got 2 just because they came that way. Instead of just having one of these and then putting the refill in, when I was done with one or the other. So this is what I'm wearing. This color here, and what is it called? It is At Night. It's called At Night. And it's very nice. And this is really slim and very, very pretty packaging component, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I got some friend mail from the lovely Crusty Kristen. I know that name sounds a little silly, but she's not crusty at all. So go check her out if you don't know her. I'll have her below as well. She's a sweetheart, and she's a younger channel. And you might know her because we have done a Mass Monday together, maybe a couple times. But if you don't know her, go check her out. She has a really good channel. She does a lot of unboxings, different unboxings, and she knows a lot about makeup. And look at her cute stickers on there. Kitty. And I think that's a puppy dog. And a cactus up there. And I did cut it open, but I haven't looked inside. So let me take out, oh, there's some stickers in there. There is a card, so I'm going to look at that first. I wasn't expecting this. Oh, how cute. It says thank you. 2 cute puppies there. Kristen has dogs. I have cats. So she has a couple of dogs, a few dogs, 2 dogs or 3. Oh, she's so sweet. It says, Mary, I just wanted to send a little thank you for all your support and kindness you've shown me. It means so much. Crusty Kristen. She has beautiful handwriting. Beautiful. I wish I wrote that neat. Kristen, beautiful. And Kristen is a nurse, so you can read her writing. That's very nice. She sent me some cute little things. Let's see what we've got. Very nice. Well, there's some stickers in here. So this one says, love them anyway, and that is Luke. Oh, I don't know my scripture that well because it's so tiny I can't read it, but it's in Luke. Love them anyway, and that's the truth. 23:34. If we all loved each other, even the grabby ones, love them anyway. I am a child of God. This is John 1:12. That's really pretty in that wreath. And then this one says, perhaps this is the moment for which you were created. Esther 4:14. These are nice stickers. Thank you, Kristen. I was thinking there was another one, and if there is, I might find it later after Blue gets up. There's some nice things in here. This is from Danielle Creations Under Eye Sheet Masks. Look at that pretty packaging. And these eye masks have corgis on them. Super cute. I've never tried this before, this brand. You know, apply to clean, dry skin, that kind of thing. So under eye sheet masks. So we'll be trying them soon. I love that packaging. It's so pretty. And then there is this sheet mask. This is the Planist. I've had this brand before. I want to say I got it from Boxy, but I don't think I've ever had this one. This is the retinol. I've had one with a fox on it, one with a penguin. There were 3 different ones I had, but I don't think I had this cute dog. It's like a pug. Isn't that a pug, y'all? It's revitalizing facial mask, anti-wrinkle, brightening, and moisturizing. So maybe we'll do this on the next Mask Monday. And then also she sent me a favorite. This is Kate Somerville. This is Exfoliate. And Kristen is very, very light-skinned, very, very light-skinned. She has red hair. So I wonder if she's tried this and if she thought it was too rough for her. It is sealed, but this is the intensive exfoliating treatment. I love the smell of it. It smells like sweet gherkins that my mom would buy at Thanksgiving and Christmas to make a relish tray. It's real sweet and spicy. And it is, now some people say that they do have a reaction to this, which for me, I have sensitive skin sometimes. So I'm surprised it doesn't bother me, but it does not bother me. And I'm, you know, I don't know why. It says you can use it though in the morning and the evening. And well, you can use it in the morning or the evening, it says, and 1 to 2 times a week. And that's what I would use it like once a week. And I just put it on my face and then, you know, sort of massage it a little bit. It says leave it on for 30 seconds and then wash it off. Oh, it says you can leave it up to 2 minutes. Rinse and gently pat dry. And I don't have any trouble with it, but I do know a few people that have had, it tingles for them and then it feels, you know. So you have to be careful. You have to know your own sensitivities. For me, it doesn't bother me. So thank you so much, Kristen. I love all of that. I will be doing this soon on Mask Monday. I think I say that about a few and then I get a little behind, but maybe I'll do that sooner than later. Okay, Blue, you gonna move around? I wish you wouldn't. I want y'all to know this has been a really rough trying week. Had some upsetting things, medical things with friends. I don't want to say too much because it's not my place to say too much, but some dear people in my life. It's been rough. And I do have a collab coming out tomorrow. I'm going to tell you about that in a minute. I got a lot of things. You know, I had a video go up this morning of the Balanced Discovery Box because this week it's like I got everything in 1 week. So I had to put up an extra video today. I don't normally like to, but you know, if there's a lot of stuff, I got to do it. So I hope I'm not overloading with y'all, and maybe you'll have time to see it all. And I'm going to put some pictures at the end of this, pictures that I found of Pyrex bowls. You know, I showed you all my 4-piece Pyrex that has taken me 40 years to thrift. 40 years. There's 4 bowls, and all in all, I try to remember what I paid for each one over the years, and I paid about $45 for all 4 bowls. The cheapest that I have seen them on Mercari or Poshmark or eBay or Ipsy is $90 for the set, and the most, and $90 up to $425 for what I have. There also was a box that was $1,500 for the set because it was in the original box, never had been used. So somebody passed away probably, and the family went through and was cleaning out their stuff and had a big yard sale or was do something like that, and they found it in the original packaging. So $1,500. If you all want it, let me know and I'll get you the link. But I use them in, you know, in my daily cooking and stuff. So that's what I say, use your good stuff. I mean, why? I didn't necessarily collect it to collect it like collectors do. I collected it because I like them. My mom had them. Although my mom did not have they're called primary colors, the 4 set. My mom had a big pink bowl, a really big pink bowl, and a big yellow bowl. and the pink bowl is a little bit shorter. The yellow bowl I think is deeper. And so when I first moved out, I got a big yellow bowl because it's great for proofing bread, for lots of things it's great for. A big giant salad if you're going to someone's house. I just like it because, you know, my family uses them. So that's, you know, why I like them. Sorry, Blue is here, so fur in my face. That's the way I live. Okay, so thank you so much to Kristen. And y'all go check out her channel as well. And then I have, I'm in a collab that is starting tomorrow at noon Central Time. So that is 1 o'clock Eastern Time. And it is called the Mystery Box Bonanza. And it is, I think it's going to be lots and lots of fun. We all do a mystery box of some sort. So I don't even know what everybody has done. We talk in a group together, and I think everybody told what they were going to do, but we've been talking about it for a little while, so I can't remember what everybody said. So there's going to be an interesting, diverse variety of mystery boxes. So come and check it out. It'll be fun. We're all doing giveaways. And also, what is different about this particular collab is there's 12 of us. You have to be subscribed to everybody publicly, and you have to comment on every video. And also, after the 12 winners are chosen, then on Tracy and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and More's channel, she is going to do she's going to put all 12 names on a wheel and spin it, and whoever is the winner of that will win a $60 gift card. I think it's to Target or to Amazon, I think is what the choices are, because those were ones that she can get and send to you, So that's over and above winning each channel. You can also, if you're in those 12, you can win that. That'll be a lot of fun. So Tracy and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and More is our hostess, and she made our ad and she made our thumbnails, which she often does. She's very creative. And then it's co-hosted with Miss Jackie Russell. And then in this collab also is Reviews with Sue, Jessie Miller Unboxings and More, Favorites with Laura, Robin's Reviews and More. And I honestly don't think, have I ever been in a collab with you, Robin? I don't think I have, but I love Robin's channel. She's here and there takes hiatuses because she's retired and she likes to go and do stuff. So, but her channel she does a lot of unboxings and a lot of makeup and clothing hauls and stuff, clothing unboxings and all. So check her channel. If you don't know these people, check them out. All Things Arlene, Single Mom Review, which is Sherry, Beautifying MZ, which is Mary, Taylor Marie, and Erlene S. So this, I think, is going to be a lot of fun because I know these channels. I've known them for a long while. And our newest channel is Erlene S. And I've known these channels a long while, and some I know better than others. And some I have collabed with a bunch of times, and some I have not collabed with at all. I think the only one I haven't collabed with, I think, is Robin. So that's going to be lots of fun because I love Robin. And then, of course, me, I'm in it here as well. So I have hit y'all in the head with this so many times. I'm going to say it one more time. And then it's up to you. I'm not saying I'll never say it again, but you have to be publicly subscribed. So in this video below, I will put my video of how to make your YouTube channel account, whatever you want to call it, how to make yourself public. And it's very easy. It's a couple of little steps. It's very easy to do on your phone. Very, very easy. So if you have any troubles, ask me. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that means you are not public. I promise you. I promise you. If you are listening to this and you don't know what I'm talking about, don't ignore it, because a lot of you comment on our videos and you're not public, so you can't win. That's just the way it is with these collabs. You have to be publicly subscribed. So that's why I push it. So pay attention to that, okay? And it'll run for 2 weeks, and we'll give you more details in the descriptions of the videos, and some of the videos people will tell you more. And also my giveaway, I won a giveaway so you can win a giveaway. I won from Miss Jackie Russell. That ended today at noon. But y'all, I don't have time to pick a winner. So I probably won't pick a winner until tomorrow. I'll maybe even Sunday, honestly. I'm trying to think about it. Sunday is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, everybody. To your, to your significant others and your dads and whatever. I will probably announce the winner for that in Monday's Mask Monday, which I usually film on Sunday afternoon. So you still have time to get in there. I'm not going to see what time did she post that comment, or he. If it's a he, he's are welcome to enter. Anybody's welcome to enter. On my video, on that particular giveaway, you have to be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell and myself. So if you're publicly subscribed, then you are, and then whoever you're subscribed to, then you're public. Once you're public, you don't, it's fine. But I have to know that you're publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell, because she is who I am, quote, unquote, sort of honoring, because she sent me a giveaway. And then I also always have my treasure trove giveaway, which you do not have to be publicly subscribed to win that giveaway, but you do have to have a relationship with me. And do I have any hidden treasures? Maybe. Maybe not. I'm not real sure. Anyway, this is getting long, and I hope that you all have a really good weekend. I plan on doing a lot of the necessary things, laundry, grocery shopping, that kind of stuff, and I'm going to rest a lot, so because I need it. And I love y'all, and I count your blessings, and thank you for being here, and pray for each other, y'all. Pray for each other. We all need it so much. And y'all take care and count your blessings. And here is Blue is on my arm, so let me get my arm out. Hey, Blue. Did you say hello to everybody? You want to say hey? Put your head up? No. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.